Going on, guys? ℎ𝕗𝐻rispect here. I am just about to head into Bed Bath & Beyond. Haven't been in this place before, have never done a retail arbitrage here, so we're gonna see what it's like, what kind of deals we can find inside of Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is a pretty good store, guys. Most of the stuff in here, a lot of it is highly marketed stuff. A lot of brand name products, a lot of as seen on TV products, which do really well on Amazon. A lot of good pricing too. You could even make a few bucks on every sale, and a lot of low ranked products in the store. I've never been in here, but I like it. I knew about it, but I never had a chance to come into one of these stores. Check it out. Make sure when you're in these stores, you're looking for clearance section, blowout section, all that sort of thing. Guys, here we go. I noticed that Bed Bath & Beyond like to call their clearance section one-of-kind deals. So there's a lot of good deals here. Check them out. Unfortunately, I didn't find anything inside Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's a gem of a store, man. You can come in here and get a lot of great product ideas. You can do a lot of product research in here. Ultimately, if they have clearance, this would be a great place to source clearance products because they have so many SKUs, and so many of the SKUs are low. Well, I got myself one toy, this ice float machine here. Gonna take one of those home, try it out, see what it's like. But again, this is a great store. They got every category in here under the sun. Again, with all lots of categories to sell, lots of different product choices. Hopefully, when you're sourcing here, you can find a good deal. All right, guys, I had a few laps around Bed Bath & Beyond. There is so much stuff in there. It is insane. I definitely give that store a 7 out of 10 if it ultimately gets, you know, I didn't see a lot of clearance pricing. So if you're an Amazon seller, then, you know, you always want stores that offer a good clearance section, blowout prices, all that type of stuff. If you have time to source in that store, you'll probably find some stuff that you can sell. Ask management about sales, ask management about clearance sections, you know, get in there, get to know them, ask questions right away because you don't want to waste your time. That would be my advice for a store like that. If you're just a regular consumer, it's a wonderland of products. And products that are good quality too. It's a wonderland of great products. So definitely go check out Bed Bath & Beyond.